In 2030, Rahul wakes up at a.m. He opens his phone and realizes something is wrong. His job no longer exists. Rahul did everything right. He got a degree. He learned skills. He worked hard. But nobody warned him about one thing. This is not like computers. Experts believe that over 40% of routine jobs may disappear before 2030. Not because people are lazy, but because AI is faster, cheaper, and never gets tired. Rahul's first job was data entry, then customer support, then manual testing. Each time, AI learned faster than he did. Data entry disappeared. Basic support. In fact, some careers will grow faster than ever. Cybersecurity, because AI creates new kinds of attacks. AI-assisted developers, because tools still need thinkers. Data analysts, because data without understanding is useless. AI will not replace you. Someone using AI will. The future does not belong to the smartest. It belongs to the fastest learner. So do not fear AI, understand it. Use it. Grow with it. If this made you think, share it with someone who needs to hear this.